Motorola is gearing up to launch its impossibly thin Edge 70, aka Moto X70 Air in China, on November 5th. Edge 70 is set to measure 160 by 75 by 6 mm. This means it will be slightly taller than the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge and iPhone Air, and a bit thicker. The phone appears in 3 lively Pantone colors: bronze green, gadget gray, and lily pad, each with a glossy metallic finish. As for the camera setup, the text around the LED flash module reveals that the main sensor has a 50MP resolution. The ultra-wide camera offers a 120-degree field of view, a 50MP front-facing camera, and the inclusion of a dedicated AI button from Blast Video. Edge 70 will bring a 6.67-inch OLED and a 120Hz refresh rate. Edge 70 will come equipped with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chipset with 12GB RAM and up to 512GB storage. Run Android 16 out of the box. The Edge 70 will have a 4,800 mAh battery, support for 68W wired and 15W wireless charging. The phone will have speakers with Dolby Atmos. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.